Welcome to the MATLAB tutorial part 2. In the last video, we learned how to assign values or matrices to the variables. In this video, we will learn more about some operators and commands. Let's jump right into it. Let me assign matrix A and B. Here A cross B does the matrix multiplication and gives the result. We have seen that in the previous video. And we know what matrix multiplication is. The elements of first row of first matrix multiplied with the corresponding elements of the first column of second matrix added together gives the first element of the resultant matrix. Similarly, first row elements of first matrix multiplied by second column elements of second matrix added together gives the second element. Similarly, other elements of resultant matrix are shown here. Now let me define another matrix C. Here I will use a dot operator or A dot multiplied by C, enter. What it did is it multiplied each element of matrix A to the corresponding element of matrix C. Here 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 23 is 46, 3 times 3 is 9, and so on. Now let me clear this. Like in previous video, we all know how to assign values in variables and perform mathematical operations, addition, multiplication, subtraction, division. We all can do that. Furthermore, there's an exponentiation operator, caret. This gives A to the power B. A / B means A divided by B. We all know that, and it gives 0.667, which is 2 by 3. But A / B gives 1.5, which is 3 by 2. It means A / B basically means B divided by A, or B / A. We can perform these mathematical operations by using some MATLAB's predefined commands. For addition, we use plus command, plus small bracket A, B bracket close gives A plus B. Similarly, we can use minus command for subtraction, times command for multiplication, power command to do A to the power B, and we also have exp command, which gives Euler's number raised to the power any number. Euler's number E has the value 2.718. Here we can see E to the power A gives 7.3891. Now we will see some matrix commands. EYE small bracket matrix size. Here I am giving 3 bracket close gives an identity matrix of size 3 by 3. Zeros give the zero matrix, which is nothing but matrix having all elements 0. To generate a random matrix, we use command RAND. Give the matrix size and press enter. It will generate a random matrix of required size. Now let me assign matrix A and B. To get the size of any matrix, we use command size. Here size A enter shows 3 3, which means matrix A has 3 rows 3 columns. Similarly, size B shows 2 rows and 3 columns. Now to extract the diagonal values of any matrix, we have the command diag. Here we can see that it has extracted the diagonal values of matrix A. We can also define matrices by blocks. Let me show you. D equals square bracket. Now here I will type EYE3, which we know is an identity matrix of size 3 by 3, comma, RAND for a random matrix of size 3 by 1, comma, and I will type a matrix manually and bracket close. Here we can see it has assigned a matrix with 3 rows and 7 columns having identity matrix at first, then a random matrix of size 3 by 1, and then the matrix we entered manually. We can see here size D gives 3 rows and 7 columns. This much in this video. Thank you for watching.